Okay, Chem 110A sample final exam, problem number 10. What is the empirical formula of a compound that's 63.2% Mn, manganese, and 36.8% O, oxygen? Well, remember, if we have percent, the percentage will be the same if we have a great big sample, a really tiny sample, any different amount, the percentages will be the same. So we can choose any amount of sample that we want that's the most convenient. My choice is 100 grams of sample, because 63.2% of 100 grams is 63.2 grams. So the upshot of that is if you have percent data, just turn it into grams and move on from there. Piece of cake. 36.8 grams oxygen. Okay, so when we do empirical formulas, you have to remember the steps. They're not hard. You convert to moles using the periodic table. You divide by the smallest number of moles to normalize. Then you check the ratios and see what they look like. Make sure they all become or are counting number ratios. And then you write the formula. It's that simple. Let's convert to moles first. Off the periodic table, right? Molar mass. I mean, you're going to have to do molar mass, grams convert to moles about 11 or 12 times on this test, so you better be ready for it. Mn, 55 grams is close enough. That gives us a moles of 1.15. 1 mole of oxygen per every 16 grams of oxygen gives us a number of moles here of 2.3. We have to normalize. One of them has to be exactly equal to 1. We'll divide both by the smaller amount. So we have 1 Mn and 2.3 divided by 1.5 is 2 O's. Okay, that's not a 0 or 20, that's oxygen. So, how do you write the formula when you have 1 Mn and 2 O's? It's MnO2. Oh my gosh, it's like printing your own points for class. It's such an easy problem, and we're going to do that same strategy every time, and you're going to have 3 empirical formulas, so be ready for it. Practice 8C, 8D, 8E. Good luck.